Odd function of Fourier series. If the periodic function f of x is odd, then a sub naught equals to 0. I have already mentioned you that if the function is odd, according to the rule of Fourier series, the coefficient value will be 0. So here a sub naught equals to 0. But when you take b sub n, it equals to 1 over pi into 2 times integral of f of x times sine nx dx. Because a given function is odd function and sine nx is also odd function. So odd function times odd function equals to even function. So this whole thing is even. Therefore I have the value for b sub n. I just replaced these limits by 0 and pi and multiplied it by 2. But what if I take a sub n? It equals to 0. How? The given function is odd. Cos nx is even. So odd times even equals to odd. Remember, I have already mentioned the odd and even function in a prerequisite lecture. So this whole thing is odd. And according to the Fourier series, if the function is odd, it equals to 0. So if I have odd function of Fourier series, my a sub naught is 0. I have only b sub n, and my a sub n is also 0. So I have nothing to do with the a sub naught and a sub n. I have only b sub n if the function is odd in Fourier series.